Bagong Pinoy boxing prospect na ating aabangan mga idol, nakilala bilang The Bomb sa Philippine boxing, na si Christian Araneta na tubong Cebu, na may tangkad na 5'4", na lumalaban sa light flyweight division. Si Araneta mga idol ay nasa magandang posisyon ngayon. Top 11 siya sa WBA, top 3 naman sa IBF, at top 11 sa WBO. At kasalukuyang may kartadang 23 panalo, may 2 talo, at 18 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Nakatapat ng ating kababayan mga idol, ang knockout artist ng Thailand na si Jack Rawut Madjongyon, na tubong Nakhon Pathom Thailand, na may kartadang 42 panalo, may 4 na talo, at 21 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Naganap ang kanilang laban sa Hopes Dome, Lapu-Lapu City dito sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Huwag na natin patagalin to mga bossing, bakbakan agad.
The footwork and the defense good. Left to the body. Dito sa good straight. Yung conditioning coach. So that's good. That's a good sign.
Yung opponent niya is nakafocus sa straight, naiilagan yung straight. But yeah, it's overhand. Hindi pa tayo nakakita.
Good, isaktan itong foul.
Ricardo din itong he'll go for
as early as now.
Not now.
Not now. Hindi pa daw. Good.
Wala lang, puro snap yung sinusundot mo.
Yes.
Puro snap.
There's something special about that left straight. Disarming bomba na. Mahirap diretso.
Side step. Papasok. Bilis kasi.
Yes. He's still utilizing the left and the opponent's trying to set up again.
Defense attack and sacrifice.
But separately, where you just get the position. Jack Rawut, Madjongyon. This is round number 9. If the 9 what you were saying.
Head to the knee.
Sa laban.
It is over, ladies and gentlemen.
Nagsuka.
I hope he is okay.
I gotta see that again. That's what you were saying.
Head to the knee. Finally.
Ayan.
And I think he's throwing up. He's throwing up blood.
Nagsuka na. Tapos sa laban.
It is over, ladies and gentlemen.
Nagsuka.
I hope he
Oh
is
my
okay.
gosh. I gotta see that again.